Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries and transforming the way we live and work. It encompasses a wide range of technologies including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and many more. With its ability to analyze vast amount of data and make intelligent decisions, AI has become a game changer across various domains. Hi everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. This AI roadmap guides you in navigating the path towards building a successful career in artificial intelligence. The ultimate goal of artificial intelligence is to create intelligent machines that can perform complex tasks, exhibit human-like intelligence, and contribute positivity to society. AI presents exciting career opportunity in various industries and sectors. Roles like AI engineer, data scientist, NLP engineers, computer vision engineers, AI research scientists, robotic engineers, and many more offer exciting prospects for working with cutting-edge technologies and making an impact through artificial intelligence innovation. According to Glassdoor, the average reported salary of an AI engineer in the United States is around $105,000 per year. However, in India, it is 10 lakh per annum. Leading companies worldwide are fully aware of the immense value of AI and are actively pursuing skilled AI engineers to contribute to their research, development, and implementations of AI technology. Among these top companies are Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Apple, and JP Morgan Chase. Therefore, top companies hiring AI engineers provide excellent opportunity for aspiring professionals. On that note, elevate your career with our AI and ML course developed in partnership with Purdue University and IBM. Gain expertise in high-demand skills such as machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, ChatGPT, generative AI, explainable AI, and more. Unleash your potential and unlock exciting opportunity in the world of AI and ML. This course covers tools like Python, TensorFlow, Keras, ChatGPT, OpenAI Gem, Matplotlib, and many more. So hurry up and find the course link in the description box for more details. Our learners have experienced huge success in their careers. Listen to their experience. Find the Simplilearn course review link in the description box. Without any further delay, let's dive into the topic now. If you desire to become an AI engineer, here are the steps you can follow to achieve your goal. Firstly, obtain a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. Gain a strong foundation in creating mathematical concepts like linear algebra, calculus, and probability theory. In addition to that, it is crucial to acquire mastery of programming languages like Python, commonly used in AI, and become proficient in coding. Then, earn a degree in a relevant field. That means, earn a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, AI, or a related field to gain a comprehensive understanding of AI principles and techniques. Next, gain knowledge in machine learning and deep learning. To become an AI engineer, develop familiarity with ML algorithms, neural networks, and deep learning frameworks, example TensorFlow, PyTorch, to train and optimize models using real-world dataset. Followed by that, work on practical projects. Gain hands-on experience and showcase your skills by working on AI projects. Moreover, build a portfolio of projects demonstrating your ability to solve AI problems, impressing potential employers. Then, stay updated with the latest advancements. Stay updated with the latest trends and research in AI, a rapidly evolving field, and expanding your knowledge by reading research papers, participating in online courses and workshops, and joining AI communities. Next, collaborate and network. Engage with AI communities, attend conferences, participate in online forums to connect with professionals in this field. Collaborating with others can enhance your learning experience and open new opportunities. Later, seek internships or entry-level positions. Gain practical experience through AI internships or entry-level roles in industry or research institutions. This provides valuable exposures and help develop your skills. Finally, continuously learn and adapt. In the rapidly evolving field of AI, stay updated on new developments, explore specialized areas, and embrace emerging technologies and tools to pursue a career as an AI engineer. Now that we have covered the essential steps to become an AI engineer, let's explore the necessary programming languages and algorithms for aspiring AI engineers. So, mastering programming languages like Python, R, Java, and C++ is vital for acquiring proficiency in AI. These languages enables you to construct and deploy models effectively. Additionally, it would help if you gain a thorough understanding of machine learning algorithms such as linear regressions, k-nearest neighbors, naive-bayes, and support vector machines. These languages and algorithms are fundamental tools in the field of AI. They will enable you to develop and implement effective artificial intelligence models. Now, let's take a minute to hear from our learners who have experienced huge success in their career.
You need to keep updating your skills. Their course material was comprehensive and their faculty was extremely experienced. The faculty was able to adjust their teaching style in order to cater to the overall skill set of the class. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, it's important to keep upskilling for every working professional. Stay relevant, continue learning.
With this, we have come to the end of this Artificial Intelligence Roadmap in 2023. I hope this video was informative and interesting. If you have any queries regarding topics covered in this video or need help opting for this course, please let us know in the comment section below. Our team of experts will happily resolve all your queries as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.